Okay guys, so we're going to drink the apple and cherry juice with
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good.
what's up guys, what's up? Anybody can guess what this what is this guys? What is really this? Listen, when I tell you my mother really set me up, my mother set me up real good coming back from Jamaica. That's why I didn't even overweight to how much she set me up. Look at this guys, look what I'm going to make now. If you don't know, say Jamaica carry their own apple. Yes, Jamaica have their own apple. We have our own apple back home in Jamaica, and this is the Jamaican apple. You see outside red? Yes, and inside white. You see how beautiful that is? Yes, listen, when I growing up in Jamaica, behind my grandmother's house, we have an apple tree, and now inside my mother's yard we have another apple tree. But growing up in Jamaica, listen man, it's when time we come in from school at evening time and we go pick some mango. Hear about mango? Hi, mango dey on my mind. The mango video coming too. When we go for pick some apple in our backyard, when we climb that apple tree, listen, we always have green lizard up in our tree, you know, so which part the ripe apple them be, we can't go there go catch them because the green lizard now make we pass. And you know, say girl afraid of green lizard already. Anybody don't know what is green lizard? It's like the big old lizard, them iguana, them. They're not so big, but they look like them. And then we have back home as green lizard. So we did afraid to go up in a tree, way up in a top to go get a nice mango there. The nice apple there, mango there from my mind. A nice apple there. But look, my mother have one apple tree inside our yard now, and she set me up, she freeze them. So now we're gonna make some apples, some Jamaica apple juice. Yes, I saved back some cherry from the other day, so we just going to incorporate the cherry with the apple. And trust me, you would want to be at Shakima's house this afternoon to have some of this apple juice. And we're gonna add some ginger inside it, so, and some lemon, so you know what time it is. So let's get started on this video. Remember guys, I tell you my blender mash up, so I still using the little small one, the one I use for turmeric. And I just add in some water to it with the apple, as you can see, and we're going to start to blend it up little by little until me finish, cause me not have no big blender right about now. Me away on Black Friday sale. No. So yeah, that's how we're going to do it. Okay guys, so we're just straining out the apple just like that.
Wow, you're making apple juice.
Yes baby, you're going to taste Jamaica apple juice.
Yeah?
Okay.
But why is it in the pink?
Okay guys, so this is a small bit of cherry that I have leave back, so I just add it with some of the apple and the ginger, add some water to it, and I'm going to blend it all up together and add it in the one that I already blend. Okay guys, so I'm just pouring it in just like that.
Oh, you're going to make apple.
And
Mom,
strain
you
it
can
out
do it
properly.
on me.
Okay baby, just now. Okay guys, so I'm just squeezing some lemon inside the juice. Make it refreshing it. Look how rich that apple and cherry look, guys. Look how lovely that is. And now I'm going to put some sugar. You can use sugar, honey, as I always say. You put what you love inside of your juice. So you can use sugar, you can use honey, you can use maple syrup, or you could just drink it just like that, refreshing. If you have diabetes and you cannot drink sugar, just drink it just like that. Put it in the fridge, leave it cool, and you drink it. You're good to go on a hot sunny day. So I'm just mixing it.
It smells good.
Yeah, you ready for something? Right? Okay, guys, so I finished. So now I'm going to pour myself a glass of this delicious apple and cherry juice. Lovely. Make sure you like, you share, you tell a friend, you subscribe, you hit that notification bell, and remember to put God first in everything you do. And if you're from Jamaica, or if you have somebody living in Jamaica and you want to try this juice,
And make sure to like our video.
Okay, send and ask them to send up you some Jamaican apple and some cherry. Stay tuned for the next video we have coming again from straight out of Jamaica again. Bye guys. Okay guys, so we're going to drink the apple and cherry juice with some banana chips out of Jamaica and some cream crackers. Yes, no, don't know. For the Jamaican drinks, we have to do it the right way, right?
Yes.
So let's get started. Look, Felix, taste it and tell me how it tastes, baby. You like it? You sure?
You want this or this?
Oh my God. Wow. That tastes so good. And Jamaican banana chips. When I go back home, I see they have banana chips with sweet and peppery. So I'm gonna try it. Okay. Ain't not bad. It tastes good.
But it's super spicy.
Not spicy. You can grind. You put a little bit more spicy.
Yes.
And this, we know this tastes already.
Yeah.
Can I eat this a lot of Jamaica?
Because you want some.
So let me go enjoy this now. Bye guys.